So finally, आपका much awaited Europe trip WhatsApp chat से बाहर निकल रहा है and you are ready to tick this beautiful destination off your travel bucket list. But planning a trip can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm going to share a starter kit, or let's just say 6 things that every traveler from India to Europe must consider in the year 2023. Hi, I'm Kamya Jani, the Chief Travelling Officer at Curly Tales. I've been to over 43 countries, तो आप मेरी advice trust कर सकते हैं. Let's get started. Number 1, deciding destination. अब आपने कई सारी बॉलीवुड मूवीज सच एज जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, DDLJ, तमाशा एंड मेनी मोर, इन सब फिल्मों में आपने यूरोप और यूके की अलग अलग डेस्टिनेशंस को देखा होगा. बट इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू डिसाइड व्हिच डेस्टिनेशन विल यू गो टू. The usual favorites are France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, or everyone's favorite, London. That was my choice this summer. Now there are many reasons why I chose London. Number 1, direct flight, good connectivity, amazing weather और shopping के लिए बेस्ट है. पर आप अपने बॉलीवुड ड्रीम को पूरे होने से पहले जो डेस्टिनेशन पर आप जाना चाहते हैं वहाँ का वेदर चेक करना मत भूलिएगा. वैसे तो you can visit Europe all year round, but there's something special about the summer months. The days are longer, बहुत अच्छी vibe होती है. There are tourists from all around the world coming together, and you will have longer days. मतलब sunset होगा around 8, 9 or even 10 p.m. So you have a lot of time to explore the city. So this also means that ये peak season होगा और prices थोड़े expensive होंगे. So it's best to book in advance. Let's now talk about flights. मेरे लिए flights के 2 ही filters हैं. एक non-stop, number 2 cheapest. Now how do I find this as an option? I recently discovered this superb hack which you can also try. Head to Google Flights, enter your home city and also select the continent that you wish to visit. अगर आपने अपनी destination decide कर ली है तो आप अपनी destination वहाँ लिख सकते हैं. Just click on the Explore button and Google Flights will give you options of non-stop and cheapest options. And if you exactly know आप कौन सी dates पर travel कर रहे हैं, यानी आपकी leaves पहले से ही approved है, all you have to do is set a fare alert, which means the minute the prices drop, you will get an email alerting you to book your tickets right away. है ना cool? Well, as somebody who has been to UK and Europe several times, if there's one thing I have realized is to not compromise on staying connected as a solo traveler while traveling abroad. तो पहले मैं जब भी यूरोपियन सिटी में ट्रैवल करती मैं वहाँ का लोकल सिम लेती. I would share my new number with everyone and I had so many sims I would often get confused. And soon I realized that although मैं यूरोप में local calls तो कर पा रही हूँ, but to make calls back home it was very expensive. And even worse, once I ran out of cash और जब मैंने ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन करना चाहा तो हो नहीं रहा था because I was getting my OTP which is the one-time password on my Indian number जो एक्टिव नहीं था. And that's when I realized that I need a easy, convenient and a reliable option. Be it whether checking directions on Google Maps, staying connected with my family, uploading content, sharing love and updates back home, or even making transactions without changing the number. And this was only possible with international roaming. I was pleasantly surprised by how affordable Airtel International roaming was. Let's talk about local travel and stays. Chart your date to just verify if your holiday is coinciding with any public holidays in the European country or even festivals. This can work in your favor or may not be in your favor क्योंकि कई सारी popular जगहें on public holidays बंद रहती हैं. But when it comes to festivals, well, you can join in and be a part of the festivity. I think when you are looking at a place to stay, always book yourself in the central part of the city as you will be able to check out a lot of places in less time and it also offers much better connectivity. But city के center में रहना means you have to pay a premium for that. So it's also advisable कि अगर आप central path से 1 या 2 स्टेशन दूर रहेंगे, so your stay cost may become a lot more affordable. Talking about local transport, वैसे तो in London there were many options that I could choose from, including the iconic red bus, the hop-on hop-off. Traveling by trains is also a viable option and it can also be cost-effective. You can board a train from the city centre, there is no luggage limit, and you can also enjoy the beautiful scenery passing by. Just book the trains way in advance to get a good deal. और deals की बात की जाए तो every European city has a pass curated just for the tourist, be it a day pass or a weekly pass. आप कौन से city में जा रहे हैं उस हिसाब से आप ये पता कर सकते हैं. Like for me, when I went to London, I got myself an Oyster card, जो मुझे सिर्फ top up करना था, and I could use that card on any public transport. Let's talk about what to pack. Over my so many trips to Europe, I've realized something, that we Indians should always carry a jacket or a layer up. अब उनकी summers can still be a bit cold for us. Plus, the weather is quite unpredictable. In fact, London में आप एक ही दिन में 3 अलग weathers experience कर सकते हैं. So it's best to check the forecast a week in advance and be fully prepared. And remember, if you're visiting churches, dress a bit conservatively. And one very important thing, remember to wear comfortable shoes क्योंकि आपको वहाँ बहुत walk करना पड़ेगा, be it to a tourist destination, a bus station or even a tube station. And apart from the basic toiletries, snacks or skincare, don't forget to pack a travel adapter that is compatible in the European country. I realized that UK actually uses a different power adapter. In fact, you can invest in a multi-country adapter as it's convenient and is also space efficient in your luggage. Finally, let's talk about monies. Before you leave your home country, it's important to find out which European country operates in which currency. You'd be surprised to know, on my recent trip to UK, in fact, I realized that the whole country is actually moving towards becoming cashless, which means cards are widely accepted, but be it tube station, bus, or even buying an ice cream from a local vendor, I had to use my international card. So, आप सिर्फ minimum cash ही exchange करवाइए, which can be used in emergencies, and it's always better to get it exchanged in India than at the airport or even in a foreign country. Well, so this was just a starter kit for you to get set ready for your European trip. But अगर आप और research करें, so trust me, you're going to explore the city in the most beautiful way and stay connected with your family back home. I do hope कि ये सारी tips आपके लिए काफ़ी helpful रही, and if there's anything that I missed out on, leave your comments below. So enjoy yourself in Europe और curly tales को ज़रूर याद करना. Until next time, see you soon.